see what we got. Wait, let's get the garage open and get this bad boy inside and do a damage assessment and see what the fuck's going on with this shit. Need some assistance to get the. Alright, so real quick, we're just gonna go through all the damage and everything that has to be replaced. I'm gonna end up using a different engine anyway, so I'm throwing this away. I'm probably gonna end up changing the sprocket also. We got the 79cc, super slow. I'm gonna be putting a 212 on here. This brake also, I'm gonna be changing it for a hydraulic brake. It's currently the brake right now. We do have a kill switch though. I have to wire it to the new motor, so that's gonna be fun. We'll figure it out. Taking this 3 off. Bike came with both fenders, which is good. Do not return to store. No shit. Then there's that guy. This back tire is completely like this shit is. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to sand that shit down. I'm about to start tearing down all this shit we don't need.
It boat can from Kentucky.
So we got the whole frame pretty much stripped. This shit is disgusting. God damn. We're gonna be throwing this piece of shit away. Let's put this 79cc where it belongs. Everything's clean. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and sand a couple things down, paint a couple things. It started raining, but we'll pick up tomorrow. All right, so it's the next day. We got everything torn down. So we're gonna be repainting the frame after we get the mounts for the engine. We got all the hardware set up. All right, I got the first coat. Now I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes, hit it with a second coat. All the hardware is pretty much good to go. Nice and flat black, looking nice. This is the before. All right, I got a couple more things I'm gonna paint real quick. I'm gonna repaint that real quick. I finished painting the sprocket. Kickstand's painted. And the brake. The extra hardware is painted, still drying. That's still drying. And then this right here is drying too, so it should be good by tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this tire right here. All right, I got both tires off. It took like 5 minutes. Now I'm just gonna sand it down a little bit. Take out all this nasty shit. Oh my God. Here's a little before. Holy shit. Let's see how these little tires turn out. Overall, it came out super nice. And the back wheel. Came out super nice. Taking off this rust right here. My brother decided to do a custom splatter job. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. All right, the clear coat is on. Now we just gotta let all this shit dry. Looks way more shiny now. Looks pretty clean. Going through the frame real quick, making sure we got all the rusty spots completely sanded down. Oh, that shit, look at that dirty ass shit. We're like halfway done. All right, we're all painted. We're gonna let it dry now for 24 hours and start to assemble. The tires aren't here yet, but by the time this dries, hopefully they're here.
Oh, wow, that was quick.
record our journey? Thank you. Guys, we're here.
It's time to get the engine here. Let's see what we got.
I'm all binkied up. Let's get it.
This is not 300 cc. Okay.
That one. Not that one.
Will this fit?
No, ain't no way.
Oh, we should go with the 420.
No. I think we should go with the 459.
Nah, they got the 6.7.
Hey guys, we just bought the piece of shit. We're gonna put it on the piece of shit frame. We're gonna make the shit go fast.
Shit, brand new. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the kill switch wired into the engine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that knocked out right now. All right, everything's wired in. We got the ground connected and black to the kill switch. So we got the custom brake set up here. We had to make a custom plate to get the hydraulic brake to fit and work. Everything is lined up, good to go there. We had to get this sprocket. The red one was all fucked up and broken, so we got this nice black one here. New throttle cable's on, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the last piece. Oh yeah.
Get her done. This adds about 5 horsepower. This adds about 15. This one back here adds another 5. Right here adds another 2. It's alive.
Thank you guys for watching. Part 2, we're gonna have the first drive.